Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build an interactive hotspot section for your Shopify store. And I'm going to scroll down their homepage. We come across a really engaging interactive section like this one. It features a wide, clean background image showing various raw ingredients laid out, displaying white plus icons placed over specific items like the raw bone, fish, and liver. Now we know exactly how to make it by using Smind Store, and we will copy this layout for your Shopify store right now. Let's head over to the Smind Sections app in your Shopify admin dashboard. Go ahead and click Section and to search for the Hotspot section. Once you find it, you can see the available section and choose the layout that looks exactly what you want. Just hit that Install button for that section and click Customize to add it straight into your themes library. Next up, you'll be redirected to your Shopify theme editor and scroll down your left-hand sidebar and click on the Add section to choose the Hotspot section. Now we need to fix that layout. Change the setting from boxed to full width, no padding, so your image will stretch beautifully all the way across the screen, just like our reference store. Then clear out the default placeholder text and type in your own subheading and heading. You can also delete all the description text to match your brand. Then we have to change the background image. Scroll down to the media settings on the right sidebar and click Select Image. Upload your awesome background image like the image from the references store, for example. You can also change the hotspot color by adjusting its color to a deep red so those clickable dots really stand out against the background. While you are at this setting, you should adjust the top padding and bottom padding sliders under section padding. We just want to make sure the section has enough breathing room above and below it on desktop and mobile devices. Okay, now click on the first image hotspot block and change the heading to whatever your first item is and paste in your detailed description. This is the text your customers will see when they click. Then you need to scroll down to the hotspot position settings and use the horizontal and vertical percentage sliders to move that little dot until it sits exactly over the right item in your background image. Now that you've got the first one down, select the next image hotspot block in the left sidebar by duplicating the first block and repeat the exact same process. Update the heading, paste in your text, and use those horizontal and vertical sliders to pinpoint the next item. Before saving your changes, we always want to make sure it looks great on mobile. Click the little mobile device icon right at the top of the theme editor to switch your view. Scroll down to your new section and physically click on your custom hotspots in the preview. And that's it. We're done, and thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.